till now. So as we had informed you earlier also, on the registration of case, after the incident, all the agencies have reached to the spot, police, fire and the concerned officials. And 25 dead bodies were taken to the hospital immediately. And as far as the investigation is concerned, we have arrested till now 5 people. All are from the management of the nightclub. And regarding the owners and the partners of the concerned nightclub, we have opened the LOCs, and the blue corner notice and coordination with CBI and Interpol is also going on, so that we apprehend them and they brought 2 of them who fled India. We are in the process of getting them back to India, and the other accused also, which are in our radar, teams have been formed and sent to different parts of the other states also, and we are after them to meet them behind it.
मैडम अभी जो पाँच आके जो अरेस्ट किए हैं ना होटल मैनेजमेंट के मैनेजर्स, उनका रोल क्या था उसमें?
Actually, they were the operational managers. They had to manage the day-to-day affairs and had to look after the basic operations, electrical things are put in place, and the fire extinguishers are there. So they were the operational people who were, and each manager had the specific role of the operation of the nightclub. So their role was also found negligent.
So
what about Madam the 5th accused?
5th accused, we arrested him from Delhi, and he has landed in Goa and he will be produced in the court.
But you said the other people are on a radar. Can you just elaborate on more?
Because we have not yet arrested them and we are after them. So all of you know that they are the owners.
How many people are you looking for?
3, you know the names, that they are the owners, and the others.
Who are in
मैडम
Ajay Gupta
का रोल क्या है इसमें?
Yes, he is also one of the partners. So in the documents we found his name also. So he is also one of our accused, and other people are also there. He will be arrested. As in our investigation, if we get to know their negligent act also, they would also be arrested.
Well, you have asked those suspended officers of Government of Goa to report police station to join the investigation. So did they join the investigation?
Yes, they have joined
They
in
gave
it,
their statement?
and we have interrogated them.
All 3
of them. 2 have joined the
who are?
we give you the details. We don't want to name
So
it.
similarly, madam, whoever IPS officers who have stopped earlier police officers to do their duty, they will also be called.
Yes, I suppose. I am working on whatever is coming in the documents and as per our investigation.
You will be calling those people.
If there is any, if we get anything in any investigation,
Yeah.
we are-
But as per documents.
Completely. That if you get anything during the investigation, you will call those
No,
IPS.
please don't put.
No, that's why I'm asking. That's why I stopped.
So right now I have told that whatever role of the people are coming on record, we would call and interrogate them.
Madam, you have called Sarpanch of Arpara.
The 2 officers, the deputy director and those leaders.
Madam, you
Despite of issuing notice, so any further action against?
Yes, we will give them another opportunity to join and then we'll start.
The secretary
Madam?
has not turned up.
Madam,
Ma'am, secretary has not turned up.
No.
Secretary has not turned up. Both this thing, former Panchayat director and pollution control board, they have.
Madam, you have called Sarpanch of that Arpara Panchayat. Is there a statement has been recorded of him or something more required from?
We have to talk to record his statement.
There was one partner with the Luthra brothers called Ajay Gupta. Has it been called?
He is one of our accused. We are after him. We opened his LOC also. We issued warrants against all 3.
Ma'am, now action is being taken, properties are being seized, but very particular location, the Burj was also reported as
something which was not allowed, which had many violations under place, and police were also informed about that, then why it took so much of time to take action?
पुलिस को informed about it.
मैम 25 लोगों की जान जा रही थी, पुलिस ऑफिसर्स को भी इसके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन थी, एक्शन लेने के लिए क्यों देरी कर दी गई है?
ये आप किस तरह से कह रहे हैं कि पुलिस ऑफिसर
मैडम क्योंकि लाउड साउंड के म्यूजिक के लिए सब लोग ओपोज कर रहे थे, प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे थे, इधर ही प्रोटेस्ट हुआ था तभी
साउंड के खिलाफ पुलिस टेक्स एक्शन, व्हाटएवर एक्शन इज डन वी टेक द एक्शन।
तब ऑब्जर्वेशन नहीं मिला था आपको?
डिपार्टमेंट में बाबा तौर के रोमियो लेन के बारे में कंप्लेंट की हुई थी, लेकिन फिर भी वहाँ पे किसी भी तरह का डिमोलिशन अभी तक हुआ नहीं, लेकिन अभी वहाँ पे पुलिस पहुँच रही है, तो ये
पुलिस पहुंच गई है,
अथॉरिटीज पहुंच गई है
अभी अथॉरिटीज
every authority do their work. Yes, every authority will do their work, whatever is required. Yes, he is the owner of the property, and he is also one of our accused. Yes.
Has he recorded?
No, not.
You have issued them some.
Yes.
Is he in India?
No. We checked. His LOC has also been out.
LOC is out.
He's a British. Yes.
When did
You are
he
tracking any financial
That travel details we are seeking from them.
You are tracking any financial trails of
Yes, we are. We are taking the help of the institution. Yes, we are doing that.
लुथरा ब्रदर्स के बारे में क्या अपडेट्स है फिलहाल अभी?
आपको ये बताया मैंने कि उनकी LOC खोल दी गई है और वो लोग इंडिया में नहीं हैं, और हम लोग CBI और इंटरपोल की मदद से उनको वापस लाने की पूरी कोशिश करें।
मैम इतने
No, they were not in Goa on the incident.
मैम लुथरा
What about the other employees? See, this is investigation. As and what investigation comes, we do their statement.
Which are the major departments that you are working?
I cannot comment right now. It is part of investigation.
After the incident took place, after 25 people died, and while there was fire, when were the owners contacted by police?
Immediately, we saw the records of the owners and we tried to trace their location. And we were on the job that way from that very moment.
मैम did you
Were they on call with you? Where were they when?
No, we do not call them like we were tracing their location.
मैम did you
मैडम जब इंसिडेंट
No, the incident was around 12. We had to take, all of us were on the scene of crime, scene of place of incident. And yes,
As per report, FIR is registered around 9 o'clock in the morning.
yes, we took so much of time.
मैम
मैडम जब ये
After
इंसिडेंट हुआ
the
था
fire,
मैडम
when exactly were the owners contacted by police?
This is something our investigation. Why do you tell?
मैडम जब ये इंसिडेंट मैडम ये
The moment the incident took place, we were on the search of the owners and the partners and the managers. At that very moment, it would not take time. At that very moment, we tried to see the location where they were.
मैडम जब ये इंसिडेंट हुआ था जो मेन ओनर थे उनका लोकेशन कहाँ पे था? वो गोवा में थे कि और कहाँ पे? They were in Delhi. All 4 accused, the main landlord and
Two
the
of them we tried to find.
Ma'am.
They were not there.
इंसिडेंट होने के बाद करीबन थोड़ी देर मिली है भागने के लिए, तो क्या लगता है जो अक्यूज भाग गए हैं फ्लीट आउट ऑफ इंडिया, सो क्या लगता है कि देर हो गई है गोवा पुलिस और पुलिस उनके तक पहुंचने के लिए?
Ma'am, just to add to that, whether
Yes,
immigration
we did. We immediately took action. कि कहाँ पे हैं to trace them. देर कोई भी नहीं.
स्ट्रेस किया था हम लोगों ने उनके साथ?
Yes, yes. Immediately we were after.
Ma'am, the immigration officers were immediately.
Yes.
So how did this
But-
guy select?
But see, it takes time to exactly know the details, the owners.
So the plan already have the Janata protect after
Around 5:30 a.m. they took flight is what we are hearing. So there were about 5.5 hours before they got away. Then why was nobody from the police in touch with them? And was their location not being tracked by them?
But within those 5 hours, yes, we tried to locate their because the mobile was switched off probably. So we were there to
Specific question again, I'm repeating it because of will not quote you misquote.
Yes.
See, whatever whether that IPS or senior
sorry,
IPS
sir.
officers, ma'am, I just repeat.
प्रॉपर्टी तीनों को मैं
An IPS officer should stop local police to act against the show cause notice which were issued to officers in this connection. Whether you are investigating that also part of this because we have already suspended officers have been interrogated by you. Whether you will be investigating those officers also.
I'm not aware of the show cause notice if you are saying that some show cause notice
What-
was
whoever
issued,
who has IPS
or
officer were-
any officer stopped it. I'm not aware of that show cause.
Okay. So will they be called? Whether you will be.
When I'm not aware of that show cause notice, how can I comment on it? I have not seen it.
But whether all these notices which have been issued by your police stations to this, why they were not pursuing, why the information was not provided to your police personnel?
We check those notices when they were issued. Just check it.
So it will be a part of it. We'll check.
I've
We'll
not
check it.
seen those notices as of now.
Yeah.
Are we
But you,
expecting-
madam, any
are we
more
expecting
involved in
arrests
this
from the
besides this
government
4
side?
accused?
Pardon?
Any more involved in this besides
Yes,
this 4
there are.
accused?
See, 4 plus 1, 5 we've arrested already. 2 names I've already told you, Ajay Gupta and Mr. Krishna. Others also, if during the investigation we come to know, we would.
so total 4 persons have not been arrested.
5 we have arrested.
4 not been arrested.
2 we are.
Gosla also you. Gosla also you.
Main 4 responded.
2 plus 2 total 4 persons are not been arrested.
LOC have opened against all four.
Pardon?
LOC.
Yes.
4 against 4 LOC.
Yes.
Only 2 blue collar notices.
Yes.
Are we expecting any arrest from the authorities?
But that will come at right now. So in initial stage of information, let us.
मैडम कितना सीरियसली देखते हैं कि डिसेंबर मंथ गोवा में कुछ सीजन रहता है और फेस्टिवल का मूड रहता है और अदर्स होटल क्लब पब में कुछ क्या इंस्ट्रक्शन और पुलिस लोगों को जाके कुछ नोटिस
Directions have been issued by SP regarding this.
कुछ
And the magisterial inquiry is also underway. All of you know it, and they will be submitting their report. So more clarity will be given.
मैं blue collar notice issued against three
कितने दे देते हैं
We are still in the
Again, your third summary will be issued.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.